कंट्रोल बोर्डा बरयलां आनी आतां इन्स्पेक्शन जावपा कितें एक्चुली रिवर्स हाला लागून
रिवर्सल हो सब्जेक्ट सगळ्यांक गेलो आनी हांव हितून कित्याक इनवॉल्व चड जाता. एक म्हणणी आहा कितें म्हणू, विथआउट माय फॉल्ट, म्हजो गुन्यांव कांय ना पूण तुका दोशी जाता, यू आर बींग एक्युज्ड. सो वॉट आय मीन टू से, हांव कावेलोसी मोबोर एंड where the real pollution starts from the water which is left from district hospital, fish market, tugele Sokoil Bazar, Komba, plus tugele inga Holy Spirit. Yeah, 24/7 throughout the year. These are only for storm water, rain water. But titlan hoyt kide daily हे काळे उदक वयता आनी हे आमकां रिवर्स जालाक जे आमचे ट्युरिझम हा एरेबियन सी, कावेरी सी, मोबोर, it is affected. So that is the reason I have returned to the Pollution Control Board and I had a good meeting and I am very happy. After my letter also, they have taken the cognitions and they 3 days inspection to find issues mun temi ata kela. But issue kite ha, Pollution Control Board and Health Department are the two main important authorities who can crack down on this. So my request to municipality, Margao municipality chairperson, why you allow these things to happen? आता आमचे पंचायत कोणी तरी पोल्युशन करता, कोणी लेटर बरयली, we take immediate action. So my question to the chairperson of Margao, why you are not taking the similar action? Are you not interested? Why your sewerage, why your drainage water is coming in the reversa? So हांव मागता बाब दामोदर शिरोडकर तसो मारगांवचो MLA Digambar Kamat, तसोच Vijay Sardesai, and they all have to work together to make sure, and Naveli also, MLA, and Benalim, as a matter of fact, everybody in that area, panchayat, municipalities, they must direct them to plug in this areas so that the main flow of the ponds are. So I am hoping that we will find a solution, and I am urging everybody, municipality and all the panchayat also, let us work together like a team. Let us do each party in our village so that we can first step among to solve the problem.